How to fix Facebook not working. First of all, head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Facebook. Move into this app. So right here, instead of open, if it shows update, then your application has not been updated to the latest version. You just need to tap on update and your application will be updated. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you can do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here, search for the application Facebook. And then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. Right here, you need to clear the cache and storage of this application Facebook. So tap on clear cache. And then tap on clear storage. Click on OK. Clearing the storage and cache will remove all the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. But if it still doesn't work, then in the next step what you can do is go back and head over to permissions. So right here you need to make sure that you have given permission to all of these options. If you haven't, then you need to grant the permissions and you'll be good to go. But if you're still facing the issue, then it might be that the server of the Facebook is down. In that case, all you can do is wait for the Facebook to fix their server, and then you'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Facebook not working. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.